Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on Rusty the drag truck. We're going to detail the gray truck, and we're also going to be putting some emblems back on to the truck. I'll explain more here in a little bit. To kick the video off, we haven't started any of the vehicles in about a month. So we're gonna get the race cars fired up, warmed up, take them on a couple laps around the neighborhood, and then we'll get Rusty on the lift. When I took the chrome emblems off my Ram, there was clear coat basically sprayed up to where the emblems were. So when I took the emblems off, there was just an outline. The rest of them came off clean. So instead of paying to get the door and fenders re-cleared, I'll show you guys what we're gonna do instead. We're gonna see if we can get away with doing blackout badges. I ordered these off Amazon. They were only for like 55 bucks. We're gonna throw these guys on, see how they look. We're gonna get the truck pulled in the shop and get started on this. And just like that, they are on. I really enjoy the blacked out look. It matches the rest of the truck. I even put the badge on the back, which I originally wasn't gonna do, but I'm glad I did. Overall, for 50 bucks, I think it's a way better solution for now instead of repainting the doors and fenders and whatnot. So very happy with how these turned out. We're gonna be showing Rusty some love today, getting it ready for race season. We'll change the oil filter, new trans fluid I just picked up. There's a leak somewhere at the fuel pump we'll have to check out. I'll have to fabricate some sort of trans brake button that's a little more rigid, since the one we got in there now kind of is flimsy. And yeah, just run through, check bolts, nuts, make sure the pan's tight, swap out the fuel filter, spark plug, clean the air filter, check all of our belts, and also check the valves. That's our preseason checklist basically for Rusty here. We're just gonna chip away and see how much we get done. Here's our setup right now for the trans brake. As you can tell, it's kind of flimsy, and when you're putting your whole arm weight on it, it's not really consistent. Part of the problem is this L bracket right here. You can see when you're pushing down on the button, that kind of flexes as well. And then this is also an issue. We're gonna pull this apart and re-engineer it. I'm thinking if we just get a little thicker metal, we can make a nice and sturdy bracket. We'll see what we can come up with. very sturdy. There's this quick connect right here, and you can see the shifter shake. So I'm gonna pull this out and put a bolt in here and see if we can cinch it down and take any of the slack out. And all together now, it is way more sturdy than it was. That should be plenty good. That wasn't too bad. We can check that off the list and move on to the next. It's a nice day out today. We got a couple more days of nice weather, so we're gonna get the truck detailed up. We are way overdue for a wash. All dirty. Let's get this thing cleaned up. Much better. Got the inside all cleaned up. When I have a little more time, I want to buff the truck, get some of these water spots out and really make it shine, but that'll have to do for now. And that will wrap up today's video. Smash the like button if you made it this far. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.